Hey there, Dotson Geist with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I have the liberty of showing you guys our brand new Scout 288 LXF. This is a new model this year for Scout. We have the lucky pleasure to have one in stock today, and I want to take you a moment to walk you through it. You'll see we're in the big grand bow. She does, because she is the LXF series, have the standard windlass in the front, as well as wash down hookup there, and foot puggles for up and down. Forward rod holders, as well as forward rod holder cup holders. We have this particular boat, she's a full hull black, and then we've got the new Bianca interior with the charcoal stitching to complement. Forward storage all throughout the bow. Scout's done a really good job utilizing space. You'll see we've got our windlass access here in the center forward. Port and starboard, we have insulated cooler boxes. Those are draining as well. Down on the floor, we have a very deep well, also a cooler box, but we have our stern anchor kit. So this boat is equipped with a stern anchor kit from Scout, so we've got a Lumar Fortress anchor down there, clipped to the side. I'll close all those up. One thing I like to point out with the new Scouts is all of the bow cushions now have Medic mounts. So I drop those in place, and they're super snug. Don't have to worry about those falling out. Coaming rail all throughout the bow. It's low and recessed. We have our waist, and as well as our freshwater fills and ports. Underneath the lounge seat, we have our side boarding ladder stored there, and as well as our safety kit for today. She's got armrests like most of our Scout lounges. They did a great job utilizing the space. I always like to point out that I'm 6 foot tall for these videos, just for reference. Down the sides, you'll see we've got a little recessed tray. You're always asked what they're for. It's a great spot to throw your phone, throw your keys, a set of dock lines as you're preparing to dock. Before I move from the bow here, we do have these recessed cubbies. There is USB-Cs and USB-C chargers in both sides, port and starboard. As we transition to the aft, we do have indirect courtesy lighting all throughout the undersides of these bolsters. We have a JL audio system, stereo upgrade, so she's got the amplifier, the larger JL audio speakers. You'll see down in our cabin here, or console, we have our integrated head, step with synthetic wood in the flooring. All of this is quick wash and go. We have our midship build just underneath my feet here, vanity mirror, as well as a sink. We have a vacuum flush head system, so that controls right here, and as well as our main distribution panel. And it's kind of hard to tell, but above me is a skylight, actually. Scott did a really good job of utilizing some of that natural light, so that comes down from the top of that console there. So it doesn't feel like a dungeon, even with our cool indirect lighting that they provide us. This boat is equipped with fender pros. So those are 4 fender pins, quick disconnect fender pins. We haven't set those up just yet for our fenders. Moving towards the helm here, Scout's done an incredible job with the clear coat for the carbon fiber superstructure here. That is not fake, that is true structural. They just do a really good job of accenting it. Moving up top, we have our redundancy switching, so our quick lights, our windlass controls, our wiper controls, as well as horn. And then most of our clean dash down here, like most of our larger Scouts, have the digital switching. So big, large 16-inch Garmin here that we've equipped this particular boat with. You'll see there's my, my quick switching system there. Wireless phone chargers with port and starboard. Our Fusion remote stereo system here. And then as well as zip weight control for our automatic trim tabs. And we've got our Mercury display for our twin Mercury 300s, Verados. Digital throttle and shift from Mercury Marine, as well as this boat is equipped with the joystick from Mercury. So we love to see that about the new model and that new capability that this new model provides us. Edson steering wheel with the rubber back, tiltable helm. At our helm here, pivoting bolsters, armrest, port and starboard. Nice high back. This boat actually sits very proud as far as your elevation. Again, plenty of height here even when you're sitting or when you're standing. It's a very robust center console. So as we transition to the back, you'll see just kind of here before I tuck away, our subwoofers hidden down below. Convenient little glove box here at the dash. Never enough places for phones, wallets, keys, whatnot. That's all in there, as well as charge ports. As well as this boat has the ability to have the HDMI hookup, so I can connect my cell phone directly to my Garmin and display what sports or what I prefer to watch that day. Moving to the back of the leaning post here, we've got 4 rod holders standard. Up above me, I have the optional rod rack rocket launcher, so we've got 4 up as well. I've got my anchor light there, as well as VHF radio, which is on the top of my center console there. Wet bar, so we got our sink, cutting board, cup holders, knife plier storage here. We have a cutlery cabinet conveniently placed with diverters if I want to put those in place. My iconic standard bottle opener just above my trash receptacle. Sorry, we got some storage items in there from transport. We have our standard fish and tackle station, so very large plain old boxes. As we transition, you'll see we've got our Yeti 45 underneath there. Again, our magnets that we saw in the bow now conveniently holds that lid up for me without me digging and scraping my arms. There's also an indirect light for courtesy to sit down in the bottom of that cooler. It's a little added perk from Scout. On our starboard side here, you'll see we have in-gunnel rod storage for 2. We have our standard fish boxes, port and starboard. Those are insulated. On this side, we have our standard walk-through transom door. As we cross the back, I won't walk, it's got a full transom like most of our new Scouts do. I've got my fenders actually tucked away right there at the moment. Standard flip ladder across the back, but again, we saw that courtesy ladder that we've opted this particular boat for the port side walk-through door, which we'll pop that loose. You'll see robust hardware from Scout. They're known for it. Perfectly designed swim door, so it tucks away, not in the deck. There's those mounts for that ladder. Close that back up. And we'll see across our transom here, we've got dual fish box doors. So this is all one big well. But as I flip those, I've got cutting boards for pitching across the back. Those are lit, those are circulating. Standard pull-out seat across the back. Comfortable for 2. And last but not least, our systems access that Scout is famously known for, having access to everything. So good utility room. We've got our stern anchor rode in bucket there. So that's all quick grab to connect. We need stern anchors here in Charleston. You'll see everything was designed with a purpose as far as their layouts of their pumps, their access for their through-hole transducers. Close that up. And then right here in the back, we have another little tackle locker. So these boxes are gonna be a little bit shallower, but great use of space from Scout, as well as a little courtesy drawer. And again, knife and plier storage right there on the back side of the door, because why not? Added fit and finish. You'll see in the back, we've got those Mercuries we described at the helm there. We do have them in white. So that is Scout White from Mercury. And then again, it complements our all black hull, and those have the new digital steering as well. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of our 2026 288 LXF from Scout Boats. Again, my name's Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you on the water.